Welcome back. Once you've spied on the market and you've decided on the product or service you want to offer, this brings us to the next important element, the seven-figure mindset. This means you're always aware that you're serving your customers in different stages. The different stages also comprise of different values. The higher you and your customer climb the different stages, the higher the value added and given. This also means you're paid more. Believe me, a percentage of your audience will always want you to pay your premium to get more value. Your goal is to scale it higher every time you promote your offer. Let me provide you with an example. Let's say you filled in a survey online for a hair salon. In exchange, you get a free hair wash from the salon. When you visit the salon for the treatment, the staff attending to you will point out that your hair is dry and you need more than a regular hair wash. The staff will then suggest you sign up for a moisturizing hair treatment. Then the staff will point out that if you opt for their hair treatment, you'll get a hair curl treatment for a special price. When you do that, they'll notify you that your curls need to be maintained and you can schedule an appointment with the salon 3 months later. Have you noticed the trend here? The salon has strategically carried you through different value stages. From a free service, you're walking out of the salon potentially paying them hundreds to thousands. When you are clear on the values you would want to project and present to your customers, you'll automatically generate your sales funnel, set up your back-end systems, and generate leads for you. Don't be surprised if some of your customers are willing to pay you hundreds of thousands of dollars for your high-end service, as they acknowledge the fact that you are able to provide them with the highest value. Always have this seven-figure mindset where you would want to keep offering your customers the highest value of service. It not only builds trust toward your brand, but they're willing to pay you more for it.